Tell me what you do on a Sunday.
Hey, it's Faye. I'm gonna need you to start rating my outfits because we keep buying clothes but we're not actually putting them together, and that's where waste accumulates. Tell me if my style's off, be brutally honest, drag me through the mud, drag me to filth. I no longer need people to sympathize. When I buy clothes, I don't get things to create an outfit, I just get it individually thinking, oh my god, it's so cute. That's when things go wrong because it collects dust. I admire people who have an aesthetic. You look at them, you just know, yeah, that's them. But then when people look at me, wow, she's really navigating. If you can help me name my style, that'll be great too. You can't fit me in a bubble. You could be mean to me, I don't care, be me. Just because I'm giving you this pass to be mean to me, don't go crazy. I'm still very sensitive, okay, thank you. We're gonna do this off the shoulder and half hook cover. Figure out which confident shoulder you have. I will try to link everything down below, but honestly, like, no promises here. Stuff. Someone told me that if I just got a boob reduction, I'd be more confident and I'll look more right. But like, I'm scared of the neck. If I'm really gonna go for a boob reduction, I might as well just get a BBL, you know? I'm slightly obsessed with these tops. Hook it on your shoulders, that's what I meant. It just, it holds so cute. I feel a little thick in this though, you know? It's a little fluffy. We know how that feels like. You know when I said I have multiple personalities when it comes to fashion, my style? Yeah, I don't think you've ever seen me in like dress pants. I think not. Hey, how can we make this more cash? We gotta add the platforms. We need the height. Why are my pants feeling all slippery? Girl, you're not ready for this new girl. We should probably take out these hair clips. Is it giving? No, absolutely not. I'm editing this now, looking back. Who would let me walk out like this? We should pop our color cherry. Add this bag that I recently got. This is from a Korean brand on YesStyle. I'll try to find it. Give me a second. So how are you? Are you excited for the holidays? Are you healing? Been figuring out your traumas lately? Are you also a lost puppy where you just don't really know what your style is? We're in this together. I honestly feel like a joke right now. You know when you look too long and things just start looking really bad? That's about me right now. What do you think about this outfit? Rate it. You have a nice simplistic top, classy, you're covered up, pants on that you never wear. I think I thrifted these. Should I roll them up? The surprising part is that it actually fits my leg length. That's a Christmas miracle. I'm feeling sophisticated. Do I look like a Nepo baby? Because I'm not. I should create one. If you know of any sugar daddy. I kind of feel like the pants look baggy in front when I'm walking, or am I just being like super insecure, projecting my low self-esteem on you? Look at this. Ass is not there, but you know what is? The confidence. I love how this just falls off the shoulders so effortless. I personally would rate this a 5 out of 5. Nope, don't believe me. This is a 3 out of 5. I hate bags. As much as I think bags really make your outfit, what is the point of carrying this thing that just rolls off my shoulder? And I'm sweaty. All my life, I've always just wanted to fit it. I just don't ride the wave. I have my own wave. I'm on a rowboat. I really thought this through, and I don't know. You know how for the longest time, if you've been following me, I've been trying to style this tweed looking thing that really isn't in my field of expertise. Today's the day that I redeem myself because I finally think I know what I'm doing. Take a freaking skirt, go black and white. Simpler, snip yourself together. I had too many chicken wings last night. There's not a lot of space, as you can tell. You know when you can't find space, create space. That's from a wise person to another. All these years, have we learned anything, Faye? Catch me if you can. Z jacket. But before the jacket, you gotta step outside the box, because if you guys are rating my outfits, I needed to prove myself that I can do something better than just a skirt and top. Leg warmers. And they go all the way to your knee. You bunch it up. The issue is these are meant for like skinny leg girls. And I got calves the size of a cow. But who cares? Because inclusivity. Tell me why I bought these for so much for Fashion Week in Korea, and I've never worn them because they're a size too big. I just never fixed it. I never returned it. The pink socks are peeking through. But you're supposed to roll these babies out. Covers your shoe. I don't know how. Kind of like that. Does it make sense? Is she an anime star? I could totally wear this outfit like this, right? You could rate this a 5 out of 5. You're welcome. Guys, a fashionista on the loose. It works. I mean, a reviving. Honestly, this is where my potential extends to. This is as far as I can go. It really does not expand outside of this. And I'm really trying to be creative here. Skirt has a nice enough, long enough slit. There's still leg action. The jackets, the focus point, leg warmers add something to the outfit. And then when I turn to the side or the back, you don't know what you're gonna get. You don't know what you're gonna get until BAM! Nothing. Desaturation is what you get. Do you expect me to go out there and just add color to this jacket? It's just unnatural. I don't know why I'm giving myself a hard time, because honestly, I really like this outfit. You can really see the effort. I didn't think these socks would work. It spans and spreads on the bottom, kind of balanced out. And it's just cute when it like covers your heels like that. Like, look. Can you see? You're like, oh my gosh, it's so hot. Let me just take off my top. 5 out of 5. I'm sorry, but I'm tooting that one point. I also forgot to add this little bag that you could wear underneath. It kind of looks weird when just like slashed across the titties. The bag itself is so freaking cute and dainty. Oh my, I just tripped on flat surface. It's the fact that it works on my apple body shape on my stomach. I'm a hefty girl. It feels good to be at this place with my body. I hope I bring some type of inspiration for you if you're looking to style your body more too. Wearing these versus like tight, thin socks is just gonna outline your calves a little bit too much. No. Past this one, it's gonna like balance you out. It's gonna make it look just straight. I don't really care. I don't want thin, I don't want skinny, I just want straight. Okay, for this next outfit, I don't know. I'm not as I don't love it too much, but I thought it's something. This top is from my shop. Currently discontinued, but let me know if you want me to bring it back. I do really love it. As I'm wearing this, I'm like, damn. It mimics that fake corset look without the extra layers. I hate fucking layers. This one, you can pull it off. Although it is a little too smushy on my tatas. It literally cinches in your stomach, flattens it without you even like trying. I mean, I'm literally breathing it all out. I'm looking at my skirts and I'm like, nothing fits. But then oh my God. I hauled this, wear something like this. I'm like, oh, okay. My stomach doesn't feel like it's pouching and pooching. How do I spice this up? We are not crafted to look simple. I swear all my clothes still have tags on it because I never actually wear them out because I'm a fake influencer. I've had this for a year. So you guys know, the rosé top from W Concept. I was like, okay, let me just put this cardigan on. Then this part like kind of threw me off. The collar, have those babies. Ow. It's just about playing with your clothes. See, it looks a little bit more like office vibes. I intentionally went for that. We're thinking pointed toes. They're a little big on me. Oh my God, something's finally big on me. So have we like decided what we want to call my style? Please identify me. Ignore the ankle bracelets on this leg. If you're Hmong, you know. Your parents force you to wear them. Kind of cute. It makes sense. Oh my gosh, the heels are so tiny. You don't know if it can carry my body weight. Thinking this rolla bag, cute and muted. No, it's cute, but I'm not feeling this bag. First of all, it's too long. It's definitely like a crossover moment. What about we carry a black bag? Okay, no bag. It's not my favorite outfit so far. It's just too much, maybe. Maybe take it off, girl. Modest is the new in. Honestly, this top is just way too beautiful to cover it up, so you just want to get all the feel of a nice little bodice. My shoes are too big though, so it's kind of funny. It's literally holding on with a thread. Without the pink cardigan, I gave this a 4 out of 5. I tried this before, obviously made a foolery out of myself, but I kept it in my closet for clear reasons. I saw some type of potential. I couldn't bring myself to throw it away. Today's the day that we back up our reasons. So you may just think it's a nice little silky blouse like this. Yes, it is. However, there's this weird piece that you put on top like a little apron skirt. Now, do I fit this? I don't know. Not this way, but this way. Hold on, we can do it. Is this like ridiculous or what? Does it open in the front? Okay, fix it. I think it's supposed to look like this. It's a little scandalous, but just give it a chair. I think it's supposed to look like that. I want to keep this piece on because I think it adds like an element of confusion. I wanted thigh-high boots because clearly we have a lot of thighs here. I couldn't find my thigh-high beige boots, so I'm just gonna go with these black knee boots. Also, they're the most comfortable boots I own, and they fit my calves. Like, that's so rare. Is this too costume-esque? Do I look like I'm going to Comic-Con? Or do I look like I'm about to go serve at Applebee's? On the count of 3, I want you to have a clean, clear palette. Don't think of anything. You're being hypnotized right now. You have no thoughts right now. You have no vision. What do you think of my outfit? It's cute. Okay, it's not everyone's cup of tea, but I kind of like it, honestly. What if I put a jacket on? I can't really open up. So you gotta slip it on like a hoodie. I'm thinking I'm using this as a cover-up, scapegoat. When in doubt, sleeves out. Off the shoulder. This kind of blends in with the leather jacket. So you don't look like a thorn in the bush. You know, we set our objectives out to be confusing. And that's what I think I'm bringing. Because if you look around, it's like, what's happening down here? I can't see, I'm blind. I'm not too sure. Can't tell me that this isn't different. I kind of feel ashamed that I like this. I think you have better words to describe this than I do. I'm gonna give this a 4.5. I retract. I rest my case. 4 out of 5. If you shop these sweaters on my website right now, they're 20% off. This is the Leicester sweater, and let me show you. It's so freaking cute. And this outfit, freaking adorable. I roll them because I'm short. And then of course, I'm just thinking some sneaks. I need to change out these laces. They're so old. And I should not be wearing my shoes like this because I crease them. Like anytime you wear an overall, I really think you should go with a handkerchief. What better way but to get my new padded jacket on the site. Also 20% off. Tell me that this is not the cutest freaking outfit. Look how cute it looks from the side. Yes, it's padded, it's soft, it's thick, but stylish. You have a love for flannels and plaid, this jacket is definitely for you. And I picked it so that it's in this beige neutral coffee color, latte color. Yes, queen. So even though it's plaid in pattern, you can wear it with literally anything because it's so neutral. And this is a size medium I'm wearing. This is more of like a wearable everyday outfit. It's a good way to entice someone with an everyday look, but make it your own, make it stand out, make her want to wear what you're wearing. And this is the outfit if we're speaking everyday. So cute. In my short ass neck. Turtlenecks make my double chin come out, but with my Leicester turtleneck, you can fold it down twice so it fits your size and it won't like pop back up and roll back up. My heavier mid-sized girlies, you know what turtlenecks be doing to our necks. So this is a safe route. If I were to go out and it was super cold, especially if you're in the Midwest, we all know how that feels like, this would definitely be the outfit I go for. My overall adds to my outfit instead of just wearing regular jeans. Yeah. This jacket just stands out. I love it. Look at the way it bags onto my body. Rating this outfit 5 out of 5 for your girl next door. Here's the last outfit. So far, I think we've done a really good job. I'm thinking we stick with this casual everyday wear look. Something more realistic out in our daily lives, right? Goodness, this turtleneck is not itchy as well. You've seen me style this before. So first, another turtleneck. I'm gonna fold because we're not gonna need this part. Do y'all remember this dickie? This is from Michi Woo. Apparently, back in the day, dickies were really popular to wear underneath. More for collared looks. So we don't really care too much about the underpiece. We gotta keep going. This is my favorite leather jacket. I like this because it's the same length. You're not giving too much of yourself. Sock booties with lavender tips, and it slides all the way up so then our pants can bunch. Oh my god, we're getting somewhere. And they're pretty comfy. They're just really tight, narrow. I got white feet, penguin feet. Are we feeling the blue and slight lavender? Zip this up a little. Just pull your dickie down a little bit. Do we like the headband? I mean, in my head it looked fine, but now with it on, it looks a little too eggy. Let's just stick with our hair down. We look fine. Don't love it. We have this new pouch bag. Nice little pouch. I don't know. What about this? Just plain black. Let the purple be the purple color. I think this works. I don't love it, I don't hate it, but I do think it's more realistic to wear in the world. Still slice of edge closely to the clip. Okay, we get the point. Leave your rating down below, 1 through 5, outfits 1 through 5. I'm gonna suck it up and just take it like a man. Yeah, I look like I'm wearing a diaper on my neck. Apple body shape, pear shape, whatever shape you are. You're just a thicker girl, carry a little extra love with you. I hope you can be inspired from this video. Dress yourself up. You can look extra because I too look at girls who are very thin for inspiration and I'm like, dang, I can never do that. I would never rock that or pull that off. And today, I think we did. Stay inspired. Rock that body. Goodbye and love you.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday